Other than that, so I'm not feeling hunched and I'm not.
Good. Last time I had you in, moving from bending to extending was painful, right? So
Little bit.
just a little bit. Do you want to show me?
Fully.
Show
So,
me what you got?
you know, sort of there when I want to go into full extension.
Yeah.
But generally I can get there. It's just a little bit painful through that.
Right.
Coming up.
Okay. Cool. Do you mind if I tell?
No, not at
what
all.
you got? So Lynette's had a problem at L5 where her vertebra moved forward into flexion. She's having real trouble extending back over it. It's very painful actually for a while, isn't it? So we had a couple of big corrections on it, and then Christmas and everything else got in the way a bit, isn't it? So, but better than it was.
Much better than it was. I feel like I can move again.
Let's have a look at you. Come on.
That's okay. Just to about there.
Yeah, that is so much better than it was
Yeah.
before. Yeah, we were struggling to come out and do that, weren't we? Come and sit on down. Let's just check it through. We'll start at the top because we have a few problems in your mid-thoracics often as well, don't we? How was your Christmas? What's been happening?
Oh, fantastic. As
Yeah.
Family came.
Yeah. Right. Mid-back adjustment first then. Alright, nice breath when you're ready. So it's T6, all the way out, breath out. Good. That's good, that was nice. Excellent. Just on this left side, you can pop yourself on your right, look. That's it. Here we go. And there, shoulder through. Hold on tight, just going to stretch it down. That's it. There it is. Just going to bring you slightly closer.
Okay.
That's good. Right, so when you breathe in, just relax, breathe out, rock your shoulder right the way back.
Okay.
Nice breath when you're ready. That's good. Drop that knee through. That's good. One more breath, nice and relaxed. Shoulder up and back. There. Breathe in. And out. Good. That's good. Alright, it's a small shift. There's more than that in there, so have you this side. Relax. Nice bit of movement out of this for you, don't we?
Yeah.
There we go. Take a breath in. All the way out. Drop your knee right down. Let it go. That was it. That was it. Right. I'm going to mobilise that in a minute.
Okay.
The movement feels like, just kind of test it out, okay? Let's see where we're at. I'm trying to side to side, so you're moving a bit more smoothly.
I can move. Side to side?
Yeah. Good.
Fine.
Awesome. And then come leaning backwards first. Oh, come back. That's incredible.
Much better.
Yeah. Forwards. Fantastic. Come
Amazing.
on. That's really good.
Yeah,
That's
much
so much
better.
better.
Thank